Civil Service Exam Reviewer, correct usage. Let me know if you can score a perfect 10 out of 10. There is a blank message when you look closely at her painting. A hid, B hide, C hided, D hidden. The correct answer is letter D, hidden. The word hidden is the past participle of the verb hide, but in this sentence it functions as an adjective describing the noun message. Flight Z735 blank yesterday. 350 passengers died in that accident. A, crush, B, crushed, C, crash, D, crashed. The correct answer is letter D, crashed. The word yesterday shows a past action, so we use the simple past tense of crash. Happy memories are always remembered, not blank. A, forget, B, forgets, C, forgot, D, forgotten. The correct answer is letter D, forgotten. We need the past participle form to match remembered. My grandpa always feeds his flock of blank early in the morning. A sheeps, B sheep, C ships, D ship. The correct answer is letter B, sheep. The word sheep has the same form in both singular and plural. So much blank I found in the library, now I'm ready to report. A, information, B, informations, C, infos, D, infos. The correct answer is letter A, information. The word information is uncountable, so it has no plural form. I think it's not a great idea. I totally blank. A, misagree, B, unagree, C, inagree, D, disagree. The correct answer is letter D, disagree. The correct verb to express opposite opinion is disagree. I was blank that the weather would be sunny and we would be able to enjoy our swimming. A, hopeless, B, hopeful, C, hope-like, D, hopely. The correct answer is letter B, hopeful. The adjective hopeful means feeling positive or expecting a good outcome, which fits the context. He has been exercising, but his immune system was steadily blank. A, weak, B, weaken, C, weakened, D, weakening. The correct answer is letter D, weakening. The sentence describes an ongoing process, was steadily, so we use the present participle to show continuous action. We had our house blank in yellow. A, painting, B, painted, C, paint, D, to paint. The correct answer is letter B, painted. After had in the causative form, have something done, we use the past participle of the verb. You do like going to the party alone. Blank you. A does, B doesn't, C do, D don't. The correct answer is letter D, don't. This is a question tag. After a positive statement with do, we use a negative question tag. What is your score?